What's up everyone, Alessandro here and welcome to this video about the best upcoming play-to-earn games in 2025. Since we are in the middle of a crypto bull run, I am watching out of course for the next upcoming cryptos and also not only investing into altcoins and meme coins but also into play-to-earn crypto games. And we have one which is currently very hyped called Memeclip. I have introduced you to this project already in the past guys, and we're gonna have an update here. And also since many people are asking me how to buy and stake it, it is actually very simple because you can see here on the landing page 1450% API. I'm going to demonstrate you how to buy into this coin. I just have demonstrated you and introduced you to this project and why I was so bullish for this one, and I have now discovered that this one is actually already very hyped and already they have the first game already out as well. Another game is also upcoming called Pepe's Pool Party. This one is also upcoming, but this one here, the Subway Meme Rush, is already out, and I want to show you some in-game footage here from the actual game, because this is going to be a play-to-earn game, all of them that they're bringing out. So this is basically like the project and it is already delivering. So there are already some crypto games around here and one of them is already going viral and it is a play-to-earn game. That means that a lot of people can play this game and of course also earn coins. You can do that or you can just directly invest here as well if you want. Different wallets and coins are supported here to be part of this pre-market coin here that is not launched yet on exchanges, and of course that is about to launch in the next coming weeks and months. This is stage one guys, so we can buy directly from the beginning on into this new project that already is bringing out new games in the crypto space here. You can check it out, of course. We're gonna have a look into that. And yeah, I'm buying and I'm gonna demonstrate to you how to buy into this one here. Of course, Memeclip is linked here in the video description right at the top guys, so check it out and make sure to be subscribed in my channel because I update you every day about Bitcoin and of course about all the newest upcoming cryptos that I'm buying and selling and so on. And that's why whatever I'm doing, I'm sharing that with you guys. So I am not a financial advisor. This is no financial advisement. This is just a purely entertainment. I'm just sharing everything that I'm buying and selling here in the crypto space. Whatever my ideas and price predictions are, those are only my own opinions, and you can follow me if you want, and if you don't want, you can just watch the video for entertainment only. But we have been doing great since 2017, and that's why let's have a look here into Memeclip, because currently this one is quite popular actually, and I thought that I'm maybe one of the first guys here showing and basically exploring this Memeclip, but it is actually already quite hyped and also many articles are coming out even with some price predictions about the coin itself. It's not even out and already there are price predictions. So I'm not really always relying to price predictions. I like to trade the coins and do my own TA based on different indicators once they are on exchanges. But what we know is of course that the earlier you're buying into new projects, the better, because you already are involved. And if somehow it's gonna moon immediately, then you are already invested and you don't have to chase the pump. Of course, there is always a lot of risk involved as well whenever you're buying into new coins like I am doing here, but I like to do that, and I just like to buy, stake the coins, especially when they give you such a high API like here, and then just wait for the launch and then see what happens. This is how I'm buying and trading those new upcoming meme coins, because I want to buy them before they're getting out. And here the cool feature is really that they have already this Subway meme game, this Subway Meme Rush out. The next one will be Pepe's Pool Party, and then we have Popcats, Soccer, and so on. So more and more games they are coming out. This one here, Doge Card, I'm really curious how this one is going to be, because I like those Mario Kart type of games. And even this one here, Subway Meme Rush, you can already play that. Let me show you some in-game footage here. Because also here you can play the game, earn coins and accumulate more and more coins like that as well. Maybe this is something nice to do next to your holdings here if you're buying into this coin. And this is also made like a typical mobile game like many people and also basically all kind of ages are playing here. And I like this idea about those new crypto games a lot. Probably in the future we also are going maybe to make a gaming session or something like that with those crypto games. And I think that Memeclip is of course doing milestones here and could be the front runner of those play-to-earn projects and games. And they are not just doing one game, because most of the other projects here, they're maybe doing just one game, or they don't have yet a working product and so on. But Memeclip is already there with a running project, and the coin is in the pre-market phase right now in the stage 1. They even have NFTs with a quite high floor price here once they are available. So let's see also how the NFTs will develop here. I'm not sure if in this bull run we're gonna see like that big of a NFT hype again like in the past, but at least they have it, and this is of course a good thing. And the Memeclip, guys, if you want to buy, use the link in the video description, and here on the right dashboard you can see how to buy and stake the coins. And many people are asking me how to buy the coins and how to stake it, and it's very simple, guys. You just connect the wallet. I am now connected. I'm using a MetaMask. You can of course also use other wallets. A lot of DeFi wallets are supported here, and then you select what coin you want to invest. So for example, BNB, Ethereum, Polygon, and so on, all of them are available. You can even use, for example, BNB and buy for whatever amount that you want. So for example, BNB here, I have $18 lying around here, and I can, for example, then click here Binance to switch over to Binance. Let me see here if I can select here. Yeah, BNB I can select, and then I can, for example, buy for this amount that I have here, just to demonstrate you how you can invest into this one. I have 0.02, so if I put here 0.02 BNB, I would get 4,000 coins. And then important is, guys, that you're buying and staking here directly. So if you click here buy the token, you're just going to buy the token, but you don't get those high API here, 1450%. So if you want also to stake the coins and get this API, that means you're going to get every day a lot of free coins until launch. This one keeps going down the more people are jumping on board, of course, and the higher the stages are. But since we are in stage 1, you can right now buy and stake. You just click here. And oh, I see, I have to switch to the Binance chain. Hold on, guys. So now I have changed to the BNB network, and you can see my transaction here. You just click OK, because BNB of course has very low transaction fees, so that's why you can even convert smaller amounts. It's up to you, of course, how much you want to buy, but then you just wait until the transaction is basically validated, and then you're gonna see the coins here in your wallet. You can see that I have added now another 4,000 coins. Now I have a total of around 33,000 coins. And if I go here to staking, you're gonna see all my staked coins here, the high API, and of course all of the rewards that I got so far. So you can see the current rewards are of course much higher than the amount that I purchased. This is because of the high API, and that's why, guys, for me it's a no-brainer. You have here a project that is already delivering. It has already games out, and more games are about to come. And if people are like starting to trade on the coins, and the coins are coming out, because so far you can only collect it during the game or buy directly here and also stake it, both have a lot of advantages, of course. We are then ready, of course, for the big launch once this one is going live. And that's why be subscribed here. I keep you updated on Memeclip as well. I like this one very much. And of course, also in the future, maybe we're gonna do here also a gaming session, maybe, and showing how those games are working, how to play, how to earn basically, and so on. Because the trend about those play to earn games is of course quite big, and we have seen already a lot of competitors coming out, but Memeclip is the only one right now that is also offering real games that are already working and that people already can start to collect the coins. Of course, we don't know yet exactly how the coin will perform, but you can keep accumulating right now before the big launch. Okay, guys, that's it for now. I keep you updated. Stay tuned, be subscribed here, and we're gonna see us all in the next one. Use the Memeclip link in the video description, and see you next time. Bye for now.